All right, happy Monday. I am using, let me show you this textbook. I'm using Mind Action Series, Mathematical Literacy. This is MathLit. This is a video dedicated to MathLit students, and we're going to talk about volume. Firstly, having to define volume. Volume is the amount of space that an object takes up. So, for instance, this cup, if we have to calculate volume of this cup, that will mean whatever answer we are getting, we are saying this is the amount of space this cup can take up to. Okay? Sharp. Now that is what volume is, but mathematically we work with formulas. So the formula to calculate the volume of a box, let me give you that. Volume equals to area of base, area of the base times the height. Okay, area of the base times the height. But remember, the area of the base, the actual area is length times breadth. So if we are dealing with a volume of a rectangular prism, like that object like that, we're going to say, remember the area on its own is length times breadth. So it's length times breadth times height, because the area on its own is this. So area of a base times height. The area is length times breadth times height. So the volume is those three multiplying each other. So we're going to do an example where this is 60 millimeters and this is 40, and then there's this side which is, let's say 30. So we're just going to substitute. Okay, the length would be 60 millimeters times the breadth would be 30. Okay, that's the breadth would be 30, and the height is that side will be 40, and then you just key that into your calculator and you're going to get 72,000. But remember, it was measured in millimeters, so it's millimeter cubed, from the fact that it's millimeters. Okay, so you don't leave the SI unit, you are directed by that. If this was centimeter, the answer will be centimeter cubed. Okay, this is the first example, and in the next video we're going to do an example of calculating the area of a storage container that is like a circuit, like something like this. We'll be calculating that. So this is just for a rectangular prism. It's the area of the base times the height, and you'll always substitute the area with the actual formula of calculating the area of that object. All right, thank you very, very much. Remember, it's in this book, Volume, Mathematical Literacy, Grade 11, in page 201. Thank you. Like, subscribe, you know what to do. Let's work. Oh.